Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. We are pretty much at that 161.8, which is my target for this wave 3. Now, wave 3s can go way beyond the 161.8. I mean, they sometimes go to the 261.8 and beyond. So we can't say that the wave 3 is over just because we're at that Fibonacci level. Does seem like a pretty good likely place to make a corrective wave forward, another push up for wave 5. But like I said, until we actually prove this wave 3 is over in the sort of time frames, this thing could easily just keep on drifting up. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see the subdivisions, because this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is all a wave 3 from that point on. So we got a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and most likely 5 of 3. We do not have a break or structure to the downside. We do not have a lower high. The trend is definitely still up on these higher time frames. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, yeah, we did make a little bit of a lower high on the daily, but this is all looking very corrective to me. Kind of looks like an ABC cuts and like it's possibly just going to end up drifting up again. And we never did quite get that 2550 area, which is right around the 61.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 3 projected out the bottom of wave 4. So I'm definitely still bullish. I still think that we should primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now this is where I've been seeing this possible double 3 pattern. It kind of looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. But then it looks like it made 1, 2, 3 waves down again. So maybe it's not a double 3, but it's a triple 3, which is a WXY. So if it does make a Fibonacci bounce, if it does go up, if it does break structure, that pretty much tells me that we're back into the uptrend. If it doesn't go up and break structure, I would still be looking for shorts, because it kind of seems like it should, if it is that double 3 pattern, it should be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, or 3, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because a WXY is 3, 3, 3, a flat pattern is 3, 3, 5. So it kind of depends on what it does over the next few days or so. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if it goes up and breaks structure on the 1 hour, then heck yeah, we're definitely going to go back to looking for longs. But if you are a 1 hour time frame trader, I do think you should probably be looking for shorts right now. I would be waiting patiently for pullbacks, and I would be waiting patiently for lower highs, or I'd be waiting patiently for it to go up and break structure. If it does go up and break structure, that makes a pullback, then that's where I would be looking to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't go up and if it doesn't break structure, I'd be looking for lower highs. I'd be looking for 3 waves up and pulse it down, possibly Fibonacci bounces to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.